Okay students, I hope the previous topics are clear to you all. Now we are proceeding to our next topic, that is fauna. First we have discussed about flora. As the name is telling, flora, floral, flowers, plant, trees. Okay, so flora was the plants of a particular regions. And what is fauna? Fauna means animals of a particular region. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the animals found in equatorial belt. So equatorial regions have exotic type of animals, mean exotic species, mean foreign wildlife is also foreign, that are birds, animals, they are also found in equatorial belt or in equatorial forest. So we can include like Amazon rainforest, Congo basin and the southeast part of India. Okay, they are the rainforest, so they are the forest in which different type of animals are found, different type of wildlife is found. So first is Amazon rainforest. Where is Amazon rainforest? Amazon rainforests are in South America. Where? South America, and Congo basin is in Africa. Okay. So Amazon rainforest in South America, they are known as the lungs of the earth. Why they are known as the lungs of the earth? As Amazon rainforest absorb a large quantity of carbon dioxide. Means a large quantity of carbon dioxide is absorbed by the Amazon rainforest and they produce oxygen which is useful to us. Yes, that's why we can say that they are the lungs of the earth. Next is Amazon rainforest are the storehouse of world's most amazing animals species. Mean so many types of, so many amazing animals are found here in this rainforest. So these are anaconda, golden lion tamarin, Amazon dolphin and iguana. These are the animals which are found in Amazon rainforest. Because of these, Amazon rainforests are known as the storehouse of world's most amazing animals species. Now next was Congo basin. Congo basin, that is in Africa, and next is the Southeast Asia. Asia will come here. Southeast Asia. Or India also can be there. In India also they are found. So in Southeast India and in Congo basin in Africa, what type of animals and what type of birds are found there, we are going to discuss now. So gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan. Now you will see that what is orangutan? This is also a type of monkey, also a type of, that is gorilla, we can say, like chimpanzee, mean they are from a same species. Okay, so gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan. Orangutan is found only in the rainforest of Asia, in the forest of Indonesia. Clear? Orangutan, this is only found in the forest of Indonesia. And that is gorilla. Gorilla is the largest primate species. What is primate? Primate means the member of most intelligent group, like humans, apes, apes mean like gorilla, chimpanzee, we can include them in apes. So gorilla is the largest primate species. Next is, there are so many types of monkeys also found, and there are some species of monkeys like howler monkey, squirrel monkey, and baboons, these are found in the Congo basins. And there are some birds also which are found in these forests or in these rainforests. These are toucans, macaws, hummingbirds and parakeets. The smallest bird, that is hummingbird. Okay, and parakeets. And toucans are found in the Caribbean forest. Okay, Caribbean forest. And where are the Caribbean forest? Where? That is upper side Europe, downside Africa, in mid part. Okay, where Mediterranean Sea is there, near that Caribbean forests are. Okay, so Caribbean forest. Toucans are found in Caribbean forest. Where are Caribbean forest? As we have discussed in our previous chapter, that is Panama Link. Yes, Isthmus of Panama. It connects the North America, the state of North America with South America. Okay, the continent, it connects these two continents. So, where is Caribbean forest? Now the part where that Panama is located, the linker of the connector of North America and South America, Caribbean forests are located there only. Okay, so toucans are found in Caribbean forest. And one more thing, that is king cobra. King cobra is also found. Okay, now do you know that king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake? What is venomous? That is Zahirila. Okay, so king cobra is the world's largest venomous snake that is found in our country, in India. Okay, this was so easy. So I think this is also clear to you. And our next topic is, that is people. What type of people are living here and what are they doing here? What is the occupation of these people who are living in this rainforest? So we have discussed climate, yes, and then we have discussed flora, fauna, and about rainforest we have discussed. So next topic will be about the people of equatorial regions. Students, now we are coming to a topic, that is people who live in equatorial region. So these places are inhabited by natives or tribals. Natives mean who are living at that place only, and tribals, in Hindi they are known as Adivasi. They are having their own culture, their own beliefs, their own customs. They are known as Adivasi. Okay, so these tribals or these tribes lead a nomadic life. What is nomadic life? Nomadic mean wandering. Wandering mean to roam here and there, mean to go from one place to another. Means they are not having the permanent place for living. So these tribes lead a nomadic life, and mainly they are living by hunting. And some practices are also followed by them, they practiced by them, and they practice subsistence farming or subsistence cultivation or shifting cultivation. What is subsistence? Subsistence mean they cultivate just enough to sustain themselves and their families. वो सिर्फ इतनी cultivation करते हैं so that कि उनका गुजारा हो सके. Okay, they cultivate just enough to sustain themselves and their families. And next is shifting cultivation. In this cultivation, tribes burn a patch of forest land or a piece of land, and then they burn it, and after that they clean it. Okay, at that place they cultivate the soil. And after that, when it loses its fertility, when it is not able, this soil or this land is not able to grow another plants, crops, etc., then they shift to another place, from one place to another. That's why they are called, mean they are living a nomadic life. Okay, that is shifting cultivation. Mean they are going from one place, they are not having their permanent places, so they are going from one place to another. They are clearing the patch, burning the patch, then cleaning it, and after that they grow the crops, they cultivate the soil, and when the soil loses its fertility, then they shift to another place. And these tribes, they carry out livestock rearing and fishing. Okay, like I have told you, they mainly live by hunting. And next is, that is livestock rearing. Livestock rearing mean to tame the animals. To tame the mean उनको पालतू बनाना, उनको घर पे रखना, to rear them. So that is wildlife rearing, that was also carried out by the tribes. And next is fishing. In rainforest, heavy rainfall occurs there, and because of that, so many rivers are there and water bodies are there that provide them opportunity for fishing. And by doing fishing, they can complete their source of supplement their food. Okay, so next is minerals. So many types of minerals are also found from these rainforests, from Amazon rainforest or from Congo basin, and these are natural gas and petroleum. They are obtained from Amazon rainforest. And next is copper and other precious stones. These are obtained from Congo basin. Okay, I hope this chapter is clear to you all. We have completed our chapter. In this chapter, we have discussed about the climate of equatorial climate, the climate of equatorial belt. Okay, what like extreme type of climate is experienced. Now, after that, we have discussed about the distribution, that they are in North America, South America, Africa and Asia. We have discussed this, and after that we have discussed about the flora, about the plants of the particular region found in these equatorial belt. We have discussed about 4-tier layer vegetation, and after that we have discussed about fauna. Fauna about the animals, the animals of a particular region. So we have discussed about the birds or animals, and after that, at last, we came to the topic which is people. What type of people are living here, what they are doing there, how they are living, what type of cultivation is being done by them, is being practiced by them, and what are the minerals that we get from these rainforests. So this was our chapter, which was equatorial climate. Go and then go through your books. Okay, go through your books properly and then read everything about this chapter and gain the knowledge about this chapter and be clear and more confident about the topic. Thank you and have a nice day, students.